Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter 8 of history, where we are studying about religious developments in the medieval period. Dear students, this is the fourth module of this chapter, and in this module, we shall study about the Sufi movement, Guru Nanak, and about Sikhism. So let's begin with the Sufi movement. Dear students, the Sufi philosophy was based on Islam. Sufis were Muslim mystics who rejected any display of religious beliefs and elaborate rituals. The Sufi movement originated in Central Asia. Many Sufis came and settled in different parts of India. Soon they had many Indian followers also. Major beliefs and practices of the Sufis. Dear students, the Sufis believed in one God. They preached that there could be many ways of reaching God, so they were tolerant towards other religions also. They emphasized love and devotion to God. They opposed worship of idols. They taught that people should be kind towards fellow beings. Sufi saints composed poems and proses to express their feelings. Dear students, Sufis believed in training the mind through certain techniques such as chanting of names, singing, dancing, performing breath control exercises, etc., with the help of a master or peer. Dear students, the peers usually held assemblies in rest houses or khanqahs where people could discuss spiritual matters, sing and dance, or seek the blessings of the Sufi saints. The most influential teachers of the Sufi movement were Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti of Ajmer, Kutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki, and Khwaja Nizamuddin Aulia of Delhi, Baba Farid of Punjab, etc. Dear students, people believe that these Sufi saints had miraculous powers that could relieve others of their illness and troubles. The tomb or dargah of Sufi saint became a place of pilgrimage. Now we will talk about Guru Nanak. Dear students, Guru Nanak was a great Bhakti saint who was born in Talwandi. Unlike Kabir, he was quite well educated. But like the Bhakti saints, he wanted to unite the Hindu and Muslim communities. He said, "There is no Hindu and there is no Muslim." He spent much of his early life traveling all over the subcontinent and even to Central Asian countries and talking to learned men. Later, he set up a Dharamsal or Gurudwara in Kartarpur, which is known as Dera Baba Nanak on the banks of the river Ravi to propagate his teachings. Dear students, his followers gathered in the Dharamshal regularly and sang hymns written by him. The songs were later collected in the form of Adi Granth, which is commonly known as Guru Granth Sahib. His followers from all faiths and castes ate together in a common kitchen which is known as langar. Dear students, he preached the worship of one God and equality of all humans. He believed that a person need not renounce the world to find God. Therefore, he stressed on his followers working for a living. He had established the order of Gurus. Guru Angad was his successor and Guru Gobind Singh was the last and 10th Guru of Sikh religion. His main teachings are Vand Chako, means sharing with others, helping those with less who are in need. Kirat Karo means earning, making a living honestly without exploitation or fraud. Naam Japo means meditating on God's name to control the five weaknesses of the human personality. Now we will talk about Sikhism. Dear students, Guru Nanak's teachings led to the founding of a new religion called Sikhism. He had insisted that his followers must be householders and should have some productive occupations. They were also expected to contribute funds for the community of followers. Dear students, his followers developed a Sikh community at Ramdaspur, which later came to be known as Gurudwara, Harminder Sahib or Golden Temple. Dear students, the last Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, had established Khalsa, means the Sikh military order. The community of Sikhs was known as Khalsa Panth. The Sikhs were required to suffix Singh to their name. They were also required to wear distinctive symbols of Sikhism such as kripan, kada, kangha, etc. So dear students, that was all about this chapter. Thank you.